Hi, welcome to Project for Another Day. My name is Nua. For today's project, we are going to be working on this Corolla. We're going to be doing the struts all around. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to check if there's any play in the front. So this side is good. Side. And it's good. So for the front strut, we're gonna take these two bolts here off, these two here, that holds the knuckle onto the strut. Take this bolt here off. It is the sway bar link, and then take this bolt over here off right here. There's one more bolt right here. Take that one off, and these three bolts off up here. Yep, these three up. There's three of them up here. We're gonna have to take this cowl off though. So let's do that first. Let's take the cowl off first, and then we'll take everything else off. So I just marked it where it used to be. It's right here. Just so when I put it back on, then I could put it on without guessing where everything is. Alright, so it's easy to take off. Wiggle it off. Put it away. This side. This one away. There's a bunch of little clips under here, like these here, that you have to take off. Once you take them off, then it should just come right up, just like this. Just like that. So the sway bar links, a lot of the times they start spinning like this. Well, not like that, but they start spinning. One trick I learned is you can use a vice grip to hold the back. Okay. Maybe not a vice grip. We'll just torch it. There it goes, and that's off. Got these two off. Now the only thing left to do are take these two bolts here off, and then these three up here. These three off, and the strut will come free, and we'll put a new one in. Two. And out it comes. Make sure everything is matching up. And when it matches up, then you are ready to go. Put it back in. Okay. So I finally got it on. I got the plate on, strut on. We're gonna tighten it down. Oh no. So now we got one side done. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and then we'll resume when we get everything done. As you can see, the strut has been leaking for a little bit. This is all just grease here and here. There's grease, dried up dirt, everything's in there, so we're gonna change that out. So you take 3 bolts off. There's one here, one over here, and one right here. There's one bolt down here holding it down, then you slide it out and you put a new one in. The rear is quite simple. So we'll start out with the bottom one here first. Back down here, the other one, the one I was telling you guys was this one right here. This one is from the bottom, so they have 2 going from the top. This one's from the bottom down. There it goes. Just like that. It comes out. So we're gonna put a little lube on here, because a little lube goes a long ways. So I got everything in. I forgot to record it. My fault. But everything else is in. This bolt is in. 2 from the top is in, and this bottom bolt is in. So the other side is the exact same. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I'll come back when I get everything done, and we'll go on a test drive. So I took it on a test drive. Everything's good. Only showed one side each, but it is exactly the same for both sides. So you just do everything the same, the opposite, and it's pretty simple. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Project for Another Day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.